So this is one of its kind. It's the beginning of good things to come. We have Dr. Likee. I don't know if there's anyone in this industry who doesn't know Dr. Likee. He's one of the best. He's the best, and he's still doing it crazy for all of us. So we as Art Business Multimedia came up with this idea about hosting an event in the UK. And we got the chance to talk to Dr. Likee about it, and I was like, why not? Let's give it a try. And we sent a proposal to him and his team, and they agreed to it. So that is how come we are finally here. So at Business Multimedia, we're into so many activities. We do documentaries, we do events, we do agency-related stuff like managing of accounts and all that. So this being the first edition, we have so many partners involved as well, which we'll talk about it later. But basically, our Business Multimedia is being the main sponsor of this event. There are so many other information that we want to add, and the MC will do it as and when. But one thing we should just know is that it is not just about organizing the event. This is about projection of Ghanaian comedy. Day in, day out, comedy is not just about stand-up. So if you check our theme, we are looking at a night of comedy, music, and stage play. So we tend to see a lot of Dr. Likee skits and all that. You see, it takes different forms, it takes different angles. Well, what we have in store is a whole different Dr. Likee that you've not seen before. We can't say much about it. That is how come we are trying to tell everybody that there's something special that we would want to project on that day. So if you are here in Ghana and you would want to be at the event, it's happening on the 22nd of May at the O2 Indigo. So you have to put it in your calendar and you should be there to have an enjoyment and a feel of this wonderful event. I would like to leave it here and not say much. So Mr. Otis, if you could continue for us.
Say you're training till this time. I want to say you're till this time, but you know, before say Yakadea has started yet the baby.
Sure.
O2, Nyaya or the same skits now, Dr. Likee. Why are they done? Why I say, but when a new one with experience, she said, we know or live instead of recorded more share of phones. Into a live event. It is said, mistake be about more. Into why rehearsals from now to the day that be a live event. And I happen to be one of the directors at director show.
Sure.
And I Dr. Likee, before I started YouTube.
Sure.
May not mean YouTube, but or no ABM with YouTube because Obayano and no the shots here. Why I say, and I net Yanu be a YouTuber, movie industry, be a YouTube.
Sure.
What I said. But the beer started fear no, it started so many years ago.
True.
What I was saying is the idea, not only London, there are other cities in the whole world.
Sure.
But I started from London, you go America, you go Canada, you go the same show, but with different storylines. What I say, and a drama now, a couple to come, Nanama Mcbrown. Why I say, and a musical performance, no, when they say, and a medical, we now can show you. The idea, you're starting with these people, but you bet me afraid, Shatawali, you bet me afraid, Ubia, Udimua, show. This is just the beginning, but London for our friend and say, this first show. It is subsequently, you better ask what other countries. When I'm the woman for now, and Yes, supporting Suno project. No. City Popo Sipopo.
Sure.
Okay, CPP. You can hope and I support that project. And I'm part of City Popo Sipopo.
Sure.
Yeah, chairman. Again, couple so we are supporting project. Now, we say, it will be well done at the end of the day.
Partners and say, one of the outside on the so that our head and the joint together. Let us acknowledge Pay Angel as sponsors events and Legacy Rise Sports. Legacy Rise, the might be Asharaf, the company Legacy Rise Sports, and the Office of the President Master Excellence also sponsor this event. Ladies and gentlemen, please, around the world. This event is partnered by Arts Business Multimedia, just like we had ZRC, and CPP Global Limited, and CPP Market. And they are shortened form of City Popo. CPP. We will have all in our Dr. Likee, are possible. Now, without much ado, friends on the media, there are some 30 of these wonderful events on them. To my far left, he needs no introduction, so this is class, big clap. And we have a very good Marshall. He's a round of applause. And I said, the only doctor, now, we got a program of a few words and more share what people have to expect from this event here, or how we feel that I had to quite and we expected, and then those in London who will be coming, and even from the living county who what we have to expect from this event. Please share it with me and then you can answer. It's a continental, monumental, good forever.
Yo, I was here for, I think that can be big at cry. We buy no man can be there. Young coquine, one coquine, one coquine, yeah. They decline, I'm very sorry, said my late now. When you mother swan, said the Munim Ruana. Yeah, you didn't have any weapon. Yeah, any tools now, the way you are now. Kakran of a can home, now I am one. And you know, yeah, Shamu Bossa, yeah, Balandin. Dr. Likee, stand up comedy, yeah, Balandin. Into UK for the patch of Monshe in summer.
Sure.
22nd May, yeah, but yeah, the moon ras summer anymore. Into patch of your tone safro, Bia, say, Bia and regiment, said an annual buy a Mubama, yes, Fennel. You did some money, Jay. Into waste we are twin saffron, was say, Munina Mumbra. Likee the Indian I had dear me, a friend baby, I may come. Baby of a friend, be a medinity. You're doing one, and yet you know, would be so own son channel.
Sure.
So, also do be our own son channel until you support the person both ways. Until enemy buy a message, me bedam who they say, me Kobe,
Sure.
me baby. You be share London. Into Ghana for you better must say for Damuri training. I teach you Likee.
Sure.
Any or no so a Juma way the my in I share a menica. And see the moon in us. A better so after sponsors say Umubem about Bebois Dr. Likee because we are the moon and I dare you say a fair. Tis our sponsor now share. Yes, so by a catch it, and I say, my young, yes, you have a catch it. Nah, yeah, you know, I'll be doing it at home because we need sponsors on the show. Into no, you better money now, so bloggers are mobile, a radisha money now. Mokaya home, and in a year, ɛmɛ so na wabɛtumi ne akɔnso na waba ne ɛna ɔkɔ na ayɛ dede ana ɛnyɛ saa bebree mpamkyɛ wo a woni passport kɔyɛ bi website kɔyɛ bi because you don't know when opportunity will be there ɛbɛba nti bi say no maybe bɛba yɛ ne bloggers no ɛbɛkɔ bi
Sure.
nti no megye di at the right time